All right, hello everyone, Prometheus here, and today I would like to do a little review on the Blade Tech runners. Looks very similar to, and you can kind of see it a little bit. It's like solid black here. They have this technology, patent technology, where there's a little gap in the front of the holder here. So as you put your weight on it, it's supposed to flex into the holder, loading energy, and then when you push off, it's supposed to release that energy, hence giving you faster strides, or if you will, or just be overall fast. I played on it for probably like 8 games so far. The Sharpen, which I got the standard 1/2-inch cut on it. It seems pretty good. Holds up very well. Haven't got any no visual nicks and stuff on it. However, when I put it on, I did and walked around and made sure that it was actually locked in. There was some clicking noises. Seems to be a bit normal for the due to the fact that there's a gap right there, I would say. But other than that, it's in there solid, hasn't removed. My next concern was because there was a gap in there, and what it's going to do overall as far as in the future with the holder, if it's going to damage it or not. So far, here, I'll take the thing off, the blade, and as far as I can tell, there's no damage right now, so that's also a plus. But if you guys follow and like and all that good stuff, subscribe, smash the like button. I'll keep making these updates, and we'll have a overall for more games. We'll test it out and see if there's any damage. That way you know if it's a good deal or not, or if it's worth spending the money on. But yeah, so far so good. It does indeed help me, I think, as far as it seems like there's less effort to get down the ice. I feel like I was not as fatigued as much. I don't have to put less effort in with the regular runners, which they came with it was the LS. Very well. Corners, cutting down the edges are pretty good. I was pretty happy with that. Yeah, everything worked pretty good as far as what I expected for the amount of money that you put in. But I guess time will tell and see how everything holds up as far as the blade goes, and then I get more sharpens in. All right, finally got it in there. Yeah, I think it was overall pretty good so far. I think down the line it's going to tell whether this was worth the money or not. But I got these on purehockey.com. These are going to be my primary runners too. So I figured once I spend the money, I might as well start using these as soon as possible. And yeah, you guys have any questions, you can hit me up on my social media, Instagram, whatnot. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.